just finished organizing all of my sticker sheets and stuff, as you saw, and just my drawers for the most part. They weren't too bad, but they were kind of getting a little bit messy, so I just wanted to organize them. And I have quite a bit to do this week. I have 2 art school projects to finish. I have to start an animation for one of my classes, and I have to film a video to upload for Wednesday, which I haven't filmed yet, and it's Sunday. But I'm thinking that I'm going to film it tomorrow morning and like film all the parts just so I can have it knocked out. But yeah.
Closed. Everything about that special Our final and most intricate theory as to why no one came forward to identify the woman was because she was a foreigner and ended up dying. Another version of the story states that Van Ralt and the woman were in a car when they picked up Jack. A little while later.
So last night I printed some more Animal Crossing stickers, but this time I'm working on the villager pack. And I also reprinted the backing cards to add my artist's name. So this is the backing card for the Islanders or Villagers pack, and then this is the backing card for the Special Characters pack. But yeah, I have Marshall and Ketchup so far. I will probably be working on stickers for the rest of the morning, and then in the afternoon I have to film and work on some art school stuff. I have not vlogged the past 2 days because it's been an intense past 2 days. I filmed pretty much all day Tuesday, and I've been editing all day today, and the video just went live, the video on my little bee embroidery, which I'm very proud of. But yeah, like I think I've mentioned this in this vlog before, but I have a very intense week coming up because this is technically my last week of the whole semester, so I have to turn everything in. So yeah, I will try my hardest to vlog what I'm doing, but if I don't, I am very sorry because this week is gonna be a heavy one. So this is how my little painting slash sketch turned out. It's okay. I don't love it. I like this and this house the most. But I am gonna turn it into a digital piece, so that will be up on my Instagram later today. I finally finished the little Animal Crossing villagers pack. There's 10 different villagers in here. And the last one I made was Meringue, and she looks so cute. I love her. I also made these sample sticker sheets, and I see some mistakes that I made. I made the borders a little bit too thick. And I wish I could add like a title up here or like a branding thing up there, but I haven't figured out how to do that with the Cricut. I've watched the tutorials and I've done what they've told me to do, but for some reason it never works. So I will have to see how I can do that. It is great. I'll explain why later. How are you? I didn't know you played soccer.
Wait, what? You didn't know Jim played soccer? You and his fiance? Well, then you probably also didn't know that he doesn't play soccer.
I love you. I have finally finished all the art that I need to make for this semester, and I feel so relieved. I just have a group project and a writing assignment due next week, but those will be fairly easy and I don't have to use my creative and mental energy to do those, which I'm so relieved. I decided to like pack a bunch of my little villager packs, and I'm almost done with the special characters packs. I just have to do one more to have like 10 in here, and I think that I'm gonna do Wisp because I tried doing Red and he just didn't turn out that great. So yeah.
Joke? Wasn't even a joke.
Okay, my desk is super cluttered right now, but guys, look at these prints I just printed. I bought this matte photo paper. If you guys are interested, I will link it down below, but it's actually really cheap for the quality. It's really great quality. The colors printed beautifully on here. I will be putting this up on my site soon. I love it. I love this print. This is gonna be the larger print, and I'm gonna have a smaller print on my shop as well, and then eventually sell more. But oh my gosh, I just printed 3 and I'm so happy with how they look.